Hey there, dessert lovers. Today we're making my favorite version of a classic, a creamy, dreamy, coffee-kissed tiramisu. Let's start with the sponge. Crack 3 room-temperature eggs into a mixing bowl, because cold eggs are about as cooperative as a Monday morning. Add 100 grams of sugar. Now whip it all up until it's pale, thick, and fluffy. Think clouds on a sugar high. No time to waste. Sift in 100 grams of flour and gently fold it in with a spatula. Don't overmix. We're not making glue here. Grease your baking pan. This step saves lives and cakes. Pour in your batter, smooth it out, and pop it in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 30 minutes. While that bakes, it's time for what we all came here for, the cream. Grab a clean bowl. Add 150 milliliters of heavy cream. Two teaspoons of sugar and 100 grams of sweetened condensed milk. Whip it until it thickens into a luscious, smooth base. Then add 150 grams of mascarpone cheese and blend again until completely combined. Meanwhile, time for some coffee. Brew about 5 grams of your favorite ground coffee with 100 milliliters of hot water. By now, your sponge should be baked and smelling incredible. Run a knife around the edge to release it from the pan. Flip it out, peel off the parchment, and slice it horizontally into 2 layers. Then cut into cubes. They can be neat and tiny, or chunky like mine. Now comes the fun part. Layering. Take a serving dish. Press a layer of sponge cubes on the bottom. Pour half the cream on top and spread it out. Add another layer of sponge, and finally, the rest of the cream. Smooth it like a spa day. Dust with cocoa powder like you mean it. Boom, tiramisu. But make it personal. What's your favorite twist on tiramisu? Add fruit? Booze? Let me know in the comments. I might just try your version next. Thanks for watching, friends. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button,